Meet the FAFREES FM9 City e-bike, a sleek, powerful and efficient companion for urban explorers who value both performance and style. Equipped with the 250W Bafang mid-drive motor with torque sensor, the FM9 delivers a smooth, natural feel that amplifies your pedaling power while maximizing load balance and efficiency. With a strong 65 Nm torque, it's easy to keep pace with city traffic, making both quick errands and long scenic routes a breeze. Powered by a 15Ah integrated tube battery, this bike grants up to 120 kilometers of range per charge, allowing you to cruise through cityscapes and beyond without a second thought. The front integrated design maintains the bike's streamlined look and keeps the battery safe and secure, while also making it easy to remove and charge as needed. Some standout features that elevate the FAFREES FM9 include hydraulic suspension fork. The adjustable front suspension absorbs city bumps with ease and adapts to various road conditions, thanks to the 63 mm driving distance and tunable rebound speed. Bafang LCD display. Designed to work seamlessly with the mid-drive motor, the high-contrast display shows speed, battery level, distance and support level, all while remaining readable in bright sunlight. With 5 support levels, you can adjust your power boost to match your ride. Shimano 7-speed gears. Shimano's 7-speed rear derailleur ensures smooth and precise shifting, letting you adjust to city traffic or steep inclines with confidence. Tektro mechanical disc brakes. These 160 mm brakes offer excellent heat dissipation and precise braking, keeping you safe with an optimized braking force. Designed for safety and comfort, the STVZO-compliant lighting system keeps you visible without blinding others on the road. While 700cx45C Kenda tires provide excellent slip resistance for smooth maneuvering, the adjustable handlebars and ergonomic leather saddle allow a personalized fit for riders of all heights, so you can travel in style without sacrificing comfort. With the FAFREES FM9, you're ready to make every city commute a pleasurable, efficient and stylish experience. Whether for daily commutes, weekend outings or leisurely city exploration, this e-bike combines power, comfort and safety in a stunning urban package.